So, I'm going to do a flat butt weld with a 16 TC rod. I've got 5mm, two pieces of 5mm plate, which I'm going to start by doing 3 tacks on the back at 25mm long each, and then I will turn the plate over and I'll prep it by grinding out the seam and then take it from there. My PPE is an AdFlow air respiration unit on the mask, and I have got a pair of welding gauntlets for my hands. Eyes? Yep. Eyes? Eyes? Come on. So now I'm going to do a downhand butt from left to right for about 100mm. Eyes? Yep. Awesome out the bit here. Oh dear. So I've done my flat butt weld, so I'm now going to do my vertical up butt weld. I'm going to go from a side to side motion. I'm going to pause on each side as I'm slowly pushing the weld up. I am going to have my amps at about 80, so not quite as hot. Alright. Eyes? Yep. Moving up too quick. So this is my vertical up weld after chipping the slag off, and this one is my flat butt after chipping the slag off.
Coming a bit closer to the camera so you can see it. Bring it up.
All good.
Thank you.